There you go. And get one of the ones that we do our water in.
You do too.
Small. Is that a? Yeah, the small one on top. Perfect.
You do.
So we're gonna break the eggs into this. That way, if we making banana bread. We've got the butter and the sugar creaming, and the boys are preparing the pans. Go ahead, finish doing yours. You gotta get that along the bottom and in the corners and up the sides, okay, boys? Thank you. Let's make banana bread. Got a recipe here. Oh, where's my recipe? Where'd my recipe go? Well, I don't know where my recipe. No, I didn't. And here's the bananas. I put them in the freezer when they go bad.
It just
Oh,
dropped.
it fell on the floor. Oh, put that back again. Thank you. Okay. Here's my lovely banana bread recipe. It's just got a hole in it. Do you want to do the other one too? Other pan? So this is supposed to be for 2 loaves because I doubled it. See, it just says for one. This is for 1 loaf.
Mom done.
And I doubled it, but these pans I think are really small. So I'm thinking this might actually make 3 loaves. Let's see, what does that look like? Oh yeah, that's good. That is good. Really nicely. Fold it and then toss. You actually just throw it in the trash.
Can we just soak them in water?
You'll need water and soap because it's oily. Hey Beckham, you can use the tool right behind you. Oh, you want me to do it? Good job, boys. Thank you so much. Are you gonna go do some weeding for a little while too? So that
Can we still help?
Can you still help me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean you can. There's not a lot left to do. Just
Can
little.
I do that?
I already did that. I already put that together. That's the dry ingredients. So see, we put the dry ingredients in there and we mixed it up, and then we put the wet ingredient in here. Well, part of it. Oh, we do still have some things to do. Let's see. What's the next thing? We got all that done. Add the butter mixture. Oh no, we haven't done the eggs yet. We haven't done the eggs yet.
Wait,
so,
can I do
how
one
many
egg?
eggs? So we have 4 eggs to do. So here,
I
I'm gonna
can do
teach you
2.
how to do it.
Beckham can do 1.
Okay, so what I want you to do is dry your hands, Bubba. You want to get the eggs out of the refrigerator?
Beckham, can you move the stool back? Yeah.
These are my minions.
Minions!
My minions are going to help me do stuff. Can you see the eggs? Are they in there? They're right on that first shelf. Do you see that? The blue? Bring it over here and let's see if there's 4 eggs. We'll need 4 total. Careful.
I'll open it for you.
Beckham?
Let's do it over here.
Okay.
Can I open it? Yes.
Open it up.
Thank you.
Beckham, do you want to get one of the measuring cups? The glass
Exactly
ones?
4.
Exactly 4. Perfect. Okay. Beckham. No. Leave them in there. Leave them in there. Beckham, will you get one of the glass measuring cups? You know what I'm talking about? That we do the water.
Too?
No, it's right behind you. In the cabinet behind you. In the cabinet behind you. Right there. No, right here. Right there. There you go. And get one of the ones that we do our water in.
You do too.
Small. Is that a? Yeah, the small one on top. Perfect.
You do.
So we're gonna break the eggs into this. That way, if we accidentally get a shell, it'll be easier to get it out. So we're gonna do 1 egg at a time. Okay, Bubba. Okay, thank you. Okay, so go ahead and do the first one. Yeah, we usually knock it on the side of the thing. Good job.
And
Now
then just
break it into
crack
that cup. Do you need to hit it one more time?
Sure.
Careful. Oh yeah, that was a good one.
Oops.
Okay, no, that's good.
Made a
Now
whole
break it into there.
crack.
I'm gonna stick your oh, there you go. Yeah, that was good. Okay, and you can put the let the stuff get out, and then you can put there you go. And now put that into the container.
Trash.
No, just put it right in the container right there. Just set it on the side. Yeah. Yeah, because we're just gonna throw that away.
And I will have one.
Okay.
Please.
You might want to get here. Mama's gonna get you a paper
Towel. It's dripping on me.
Don't drip it on the floor. Got it? Oh, wait. You know what? Oh, okay. You can do it in there if you want to.
That's
Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, very nice, buddy. Okay. Now let's go ahead and pour those. It's okay. Pour those in with the butter and sugar mixture. Can you do that for me?
Can I do it?
Well, you'll each get a chance to do it. So let's go ahead and let Beckham do it first. Just pour that in. Oh, good job.
Can I turn it on?
Not yet.
Wait, Beckham, can I do
Now
one
do the
egg
other
first
2 eggs.
This time? Wait, you did 1 egg. Now can I do 1 egg?
Yeah, you each get to do another egg. Go ahead and put it in there, one at a time. There you go. Oh, good job.
Make sure to get it in.
You might have to hit it one more time. And you want to, when you crack it, you want to stick your thumb into it, not long ways, but you know, the tip of your thumb in there. The tip of your thumb. There you go. Oh, that was really good, Beck. Okay.
Wait, this time can I pour it in?
Yes, this time you get to pour it in.
And then can I turn it on?
Ooh! That was an exploding egg. Okay, make sure there's no eggshell in there, right? Let all the white stuff come out. Get the whole thing out of there. There you go. Good job. You are such a good egg cracker.
Hey, Beckham is 2.
Both of you are. Okay. Make sure there's no eggshells or eggs in there. I mean, oh, here, I brought you over one. Okay. All right, you can pour that in.
Yolkity yolk.
Yolkity yolks. Okay. And Mama's going to turn it back on. And with
Is that 2?
mix up.
Oops.
Okay, so let's take that and go put it in the sink and wash it off. And then we have...
Whoa, that's a new sponge.
Hey, buddy. Yeah, it's a new sponge.
Whoa.
Sponge this.
That's really cool.
Let's get this all washed. You want to put that in the sink? No. Go ahead and put it back in the sink.
Wait, Mom, is that the table one?
And here's some more.
Is this the table one?
No, yes, it is the table one. It's just not the one we use on our dishes. And then let's go ahead and get the, buddy, let's go ahead and get the thing of eggs.
We throw them away?
Yeah. Close it up because we're not going to keep that. And it's not recyclable. So
Trash.
we just put whenever we do a couple of eggs at the end, we just go ahead and put it in there. Oh, and then that trash can is going to be ready to go soon. All right. Oh, look at that. That is really mixing up,
Can I
isn't
turn
it?
it off, Mommy?
You know what I need? Can you get me my red spatula? The one I use when I make my eggs? Actually, the big white one. Give me the spoonula. You know the big white spoon one? No, that's the little one. Get me the big white spoony one. It's on the back side.
I found it.
See it on my little tool turnabout. Thank you, Pamper Chef. Thank you, Aunt Nettie, for all the Pamper Chef stuff. Thank you. And we're gonna just put that in and kind of. It's hitting me. Don't hit my spoon. I'm gonna make sure I get all that. Oop. It's just getting all over there. Okay. I need another paper towel. Can you get me a paper towel? Can someone get me?
Wash our hands again.
Can someone get me a paper towel? What did you say you wanted to do? No.
Wash our hands again.
I just need a paper towel, not a whole paper roll of it. And can you fold that into 4? Don't put the paper towels there. Shoot. Oh, excuse me. Morning allergies. It's still morning time, right? Oh, that's just 10 o'clock. It's 10 a.m. Okay, can you go ahead and put that?
10.
Bye-bye. Just a square. Set it down. There we go. Mom's just going to set the... Okay, I think that's done. And now we're gonna do some other things. So you, Hudson, will you push over the container that has the dry mixture? Thank you.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay, set it right here.
Yummy.
Let me make sure we have everything in there. I'm thinking we need one more thing. It says, add eggs and beet. Add to butter mixture. Add banana, sour cream, and vanilla. Okay, so we're good. Okay, so the next thing we need is you'd think I'd know this by heart. You'd think I'd know this by heart because I make them so often, but I don't. I keep so much information in my head, right?
You don't remember.
Sometimes I don't remember.
Like love.
Okay, like love. That's right. Can you get me the measuring cup right there? The one we've already been using? No, measuring cup. Yep. Okay, so I'll let you boys take turns. So I want one boy to put some of the dry mixture. There you go. Not too much. It doesn't have to be like falling out because we don't want to waste it. And then put it in here.
Wait.
It's hard sometimes because it's at an 8 because you have to do it at an angle. Just like that. No, you don't have to touch it. You don't have to touch it. There we go. I'll get it all the way in there. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. Okay, well, you want to do another one? Do it. Let him do one more, and then you can do two. Okay, fine. Well, then you need to move. Then you need to move. He needs to be right up next to it. See, that's the thing. Oh, he's on his knees on this. He's on his, no, yeah, on his knees. There you go. Okay, one. And you want to put it at an angle. Very good. Okay. It's getting all mixed up in there. Very good. It's creaming it. I'm just going to help you a little because we don't want to waste it. We want to make sure it all goes in there, right? Okay, good job.
I'm going to try to do it by myself.
Okay.
Remember.
Let's get going. You want to get it in there. Do it by yourself? Okay, let's make sure it all goes in because we don't. Okay, good job. Oop. Yeah, see, we lost some. We don't want to lose any, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. Good job. Tell me when it's all in there. All in there. Oops. I missed some again. Oh, that's not good. Oh well. All right. And then Mom's gonna get the rest of it. That's good. Okay, you go set those on the other counter. We're just watching it all add. I'm going to turn it on just a little. Got like a little ball in the middle, but I think it's still here. Let me do this. Yeah, I think this is good. I don't think this is good. Okay. So here are the bread pans, and I did these bread pans they're about 3/4 the way up. They should rise pretty well. Taking it out and washing it right away. They would just let it sit in the sink. I get them all in here. They would let the pans, my nice metal pans, sit in the sink with water in. So good. Look at how great they look. That was just one hour. Okay, now get me a knife and let's check. We're going to do the knife check.
Can we have a taste
on the big one?
Test?
So watch this. So you put the knife in, stick it all the way in, you pull it all the way out. Oh, no, it's not done. You can totally see it's not done yet. So now we're eating our banana bread that we made yesterday. This is Sunday morning. How do you like it, Sissy? The boys did a really good job helping out making the bread. The bread came out super moist, and it has so it has bananas in it. We put 5 bananas in this bread, and it also has well, if you made one loaf at a time, it would have 1/2 cup of sour cream, but we put a cup of sour cream because we were doubling it. But we actually got 3 loaves out of it. So this is the bigger loaf. It's a little bit taller.
I know.
Yeah. So do you like it? But I think it has just the right amount of banana. Do you think so, sis?
Yeah.
And then we put walnuts in it too.